Struggling to find where to order a physical Wise card? In this guide, I will show you exactly where to click to get your card ordered fast. This is one of those things that looks like it should be obvious in the app, but it can actually be surprisingly easy to miss. So, if you have been searching through menus, clicking around, and coming up empty, do not worry. You are in exactly the right place. We are going to start from your Wise dashboard, click through the Cards section, select the Physical option, and confirm your order. So, the first thing you want to do is pull up your Wise account on your computer or your phone browser. You are going to start from your Wise homepage. Now, take a look at the top of the screen or the sidebar, depending on how you have it set up. You are looking for the section labeled Cards. Click on that. This is your hub for everything related to your Wise card. I have walked through this exact process in my own account, and it is really straightforward once you know where to look. Now that you are in the Cards section, you should see a big button or a link that says Order a Wise card. Give that a click. This is the main entry point, and it will take you to the screen where you choose what kind of card you want. This part is pretty simple, so just go ahead and click it. Next, you are going to see a couple of options. There will be a digital card option and a physical card option. Now, this is the really important part. You want to click on Physical. This tells Wise that you want the actual plastic card sent to your mailing address, not just the virtual one in your phone wallet. Make sure you select this one before moving on. All right, now that you have selected Physical, you will see a few different card styles and pricing options. What you want to do here is click on Get Your Standard Card. This is the regular physical debit card. It is the most straightforward option, and it gets the job done for ATM withdrawals and in-store payments. Just click that button. Finally, you will land on a page with an order summary and a big blue button that says Continue. Click on Continue to proceed with the order. This will take you into the final steps where you confirm your shipping address and any other details. After that, you are all set. Your card will be on its way. And that is really all there is to it. From not being able to find the option to having your physical card ordered in just a few minutes. If this walkthrough helped you out, give the video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.